You just saw me cream 2 cups of butter, 2 cups of white sugar, and 2 cups of light brown sugar. I did set my butter out to get to room temperature, and I also set my eggs and my flour out because I do keep my flour in the freezer. Only took one time that I kept my flour out, you know, like in the store where I have my sugars and baking soda, stuff like that. You know, I have it out on the counter, but sealed in a lock and lock storage box. Little critters got in there. So I freeze it now. So now that we've creamed the butter and the sugar, we're going to add our eggs and the vanilla. Drop that. And the vanilla. Shake it up before you add it. The contents will separate and you want to combine them again. The recipe calls for, let's see, I think it's 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Yeah, no, I don't do that. 2 tablespoons. And let's see, I don't have much left of this. I'm gonna put it in there. So I got about 3 tablespoons of vanilla. Okay. In this separate bowl, I have my dry ingredients. It's flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And I did whisk it together. Now I'm going to add that to my wet ingredients. This big tea towel. I got it from Walmart. I'm going to cover the mixer up with this tea towel so that if any flour flies around, it won't fly around on the counter. Okay. And you know what I forgot? I was supposed to have the oatmeal in there too, so let me go ahead and add that. That was just Quaker Oats. And I put it in my food processor, pulsed it until it became a fine powder. It's part of the dry ingredients, so. Okay, now we add the chocolate chips, the candy, and the nuts. So in this bag I have, let's see if you can see them, yeah. I have chocolate chips, and I have Hershey candy bars. Okay. And this is some pecans. I had pecan halves, and I just kind of crushed them a little bit in this bag with a rolling pin, a wooden rolling pin. The Hershey candy bars, there was 6 of them. The Hershey candy bars, there was 6 of them. I put them in my food processor after I did the oats and crushed them up that way. This recipe takes a lot. That's why I'm using my 8-quart. 5-quart mixer wouldn't have been able to handle all of this. So let's mix this together, and that will be our cookie dough. My oven is preheated to 350. And I'm going to make 6 of these. 1 for my sister, 1 for my brother, 4 for me. Okay, let's bring this back up. Oh, it's heavy. Wow. Which I should have known. I have never cooked with oat flour, never made oat flour before. So when I saw that in the recipe, I thought, that seems interesting. I want to try that. Let me get my cookie sheet. Okay. And what I'm going to do, I gotta get this off of here. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna move that way so you can see me scooping them on there. I'll get it off of there later. I just want to get these in the oven. I'm gonna put these 5 in the oven. It says bake 6 to 8 minutes at 375. I'll be back when they're done. I ended up with 39 total cookies. I got 34 here that I'm going to flash freeze and then freeze. And I have the 5 that I have baked. Let me go get those. They bake for exactly 7 minutes at 375. A $250 cookie. Let's try it. Let's see which one. I'll go for the middle one. There's the bottom of it. There's the bottom of it. Open it up. These are good. I thought they were going to be really, really too sweet because of all the sugar, but they're good. I've never tasted a chocolate chip cookie like this. I think it's that oat flour that did something good. And not as good as my other chocolate chip cookies, though. But they are good. I know there's no coconut in there, but it tastes like there is some coconut in there. It's interesting. I'll make them again, but my best chocolate chip cookie recipe, it beats that. This, on a scale of 1 to 10, 6.5 or 7. It's just like it's missing something, and I don't know what it is. But anyway, it was fun to make them. I learned how to make oatmeal or oat flour. Use my food processor again. I got to get over my fear of that blade because that blade is sharp. Cut myself twice. Thankfully, I didn't do it this time. Didn't cut myself. So, all in all, pretty good. Thanks for coming along, and I hope you learned something too. Try the recipe and let me know what you think about it. Till next time, all the best to you and yours. Bye for now.